Yeah. I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Get like this. Get like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this. Like a piece of string, I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. Get like this. and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Get like this. Yeah, get like it. She loves me now. It's okay. It's all I got.
I can't even tell what dates say on there. Manufacturers, you guys, you gotta put it in a better spot. You can't tell what it says. Okay, do it again.
Comment that below. Comment that button.
I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this. Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? I'm an old school man.
Who's this?
Only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl.
That is French onion dip. Here, put this in the trash. Thank you.
Do you like these? Because these are made out of sugar. And I like these, but I don't know what they call. She said later, so I asked her if I can have blueberry. And she said yes if I do my homework. And I ate one. You like to have chips that needs this. It's cheese.
Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go.
So we are all done cleaning out the refrigerator. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back. Look how clean it is. Who don't like anything to be cleaned? Who don't like a clean refrigerator? I already cleaned that, and I just decided to go ahead and put everything back there. But we have to put all of this stuff back. That stuff there. All this stuff needs to go back. So let's do that really quickly.
Are you the same? 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 Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. 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 I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl. Old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde.
So we're finally done. Honestly, my least favorite part of cleaning is folding clothes. I really don't like folding clothes. And if I don't get to folding them clothes that same day of washing and drying them, then I won't get into it till like the next week. But I'm not saying it to say that I ever let clothes pile up, because I never let clothes pile up. But I don't like folding clothes. As you can see, this is a really small pile because we've been doing really good with just keeping the piles or keeping the loads really small. I don't really know if that's a bad thing or a good thing to constantly wash clothes twice a week or so. I'm really used to washing clothes once a week. Yeah, little mama is coming. So we're gonna end the video right here. Again, thank you for stopping by and being a part of this today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and put up all the clothes and just move along with our day. But this is about it. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Peace.
Are you the same?